Welcome back to the forgotten farm on Norway's west coast. Today we're firing up the 1800s chimney, the first time since Nils left in 2016. White smoke means heat. Black smoke, well, no new pope today. Then we'll check the basement to see if Nils insulated his floors or just trusted in wool socks and stubbornness. This channel is all about slow, long-form restoration, so grab a coffee, sit back and enjoy.
So far so good. So safety first. Okay, it should hold. So here I've put the stone behind the ladder, so if it starts to fall, it's a slightly less chance that it's gonna slide back. And here you see I've tied up the ladder, so it should be safe. And just beautiful tiles with a little bit of moss. So the roof seems to be quite in a well condition, with no missing tiles. And also I was surprised to see that they had taken their time to make the top watertight as well. So here you can see they have put down square tiles with a little overlap and secured it with nails here. And a little roof window. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the plastic now. And here we are. So, the chimney adventure just revealed itself. Beautiful view. Working chimney. And it also seems like it's small cracks down here. And as I've seen on my YouTube channel so far, there's a lot of experts at different areas that's joining my channel. So what I can see is that it should be enough to just put a flat stone on here, and that these cracks here are enough for the outlet of the smoke. So please comment on that if you agree or not. So I think I want to give it a good clean first. And the feeling when your nose, your tongue is sticking out of your mouth like this. And you're remembering that you're on camera. You don't feel particularly smart. But now I'm aware of that, so my tongue is hopefully inside my mouth. It's some traces of stone. I don't know if that's from the chimney or what. It doesn't seem like it, but I found several stones in here. And some nails, so he was probably firing with... Oh, no, now I see. These plates are probably for storing heat and making thermal mass, because I can see they're on the sides of the... I can show you in a couple of minutes, but these are for thermal mass, but they're broken. So here you can see the thermal mass that is surrounded inside the oven. So now it's going to be exciting to see if it's white or black conclave, and to see if Hesta is reborn again with a new pope. Let's see if we can see any white or black smoke. Yes, we got smoke. Really hard to see the color. Definitely white. So, Pope Jarl it is. Welcome to Hesta. And hopefully we'll get some heat as well. When Evie is here at the farm, you don't feel alone. It's a lot of company in a dog. So, I had a talk to my brother in the lunch break. I sent him a video of the chimney and the oven project so far, and discussed the need of having a roof over the chimney. And he asked if the chimney was going down at the bottom of the basement, which it does. So I don't think... Because here's an oven as well. It's seen its best days. But as you can see, the chimney here goes all the way down to the bottom. And I don't know if it's a hole for the water to get out here. Yeah, here's what we call... let's see if I can see with the light. Yeah, it's a lid here. Let's see if I can open it. No. It's rusted, so I need a a tool to open that. But at least I can see that the water can escape here and then just go down to the floor, because here's all wet. Yeah, and it doesn't matter if it's water here. Then I want to take a look at the other side as well, so I can get a look at the other side of the chimney. So okay, let's have a look at the chimney from here. So the chimney goes all the way to the bottom and then all the way through the roof. And here we can also see that there is no insulation through to the living room. So the floor is uninsulated, at least from the bottom. It seems like it's a possibility that it's insulated from here. Yes, here's some insulation, but it's not very good. He's been using moss as well, so it's not up to the 2025 standards. Though it doesn't look like it, I've done some cleaning here. And this has probably been Nils's food cellar. So the quest for discovering new things on this farm doesn't stop. Right, Evie? Come here. Yes. This is a middle poodle. Oops. Middle poodle. She's 2 years old, and Erling is training her to be a rescue dog. In wintertime, we had a dog that died at 13 years old, a hunting Labrador, or jakt Labrador in Norwegian, and he was a rescue dog at wintertime as well. So this dog has a lot of things to do on her spare time. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. There's always time to play at the farm, right?